kami pala sa kabila. Boring.
It's
what?
milk?
What milk?
Yung soup?
No.
Sabi mo.
No, pregnant women, when they gave birth, they eat... Seichi, come here! I wanna talk to you. When they gave birth, they need milk in their breasts. So they eat malunggay.
Yung gamit ng aso ko.
Oh, diba?
They're pregnant.
You sit here.
Okay, sorry.
You have a girl.
Yes?
You have a girlfriend?
No, I don't.
Dapat si Seichi, oh.
Why?
I don't have.
Why are you scared of
No, I'm
me?
scared, I'm
I'm not
scared.
gonna bite you.
So I'm so wet, so...
So, I'm not gonna smell you.
Okay.
What's distance?
Sige, Seichi.
You have a girlfriend?
No, I don't have.
Why?
Why?
Pero you had a girlfriend before.
Before, yeah. I
How many?
2.
Oh.
Yeah.
So, how long?
1 year? Yeah.
The other one, one
Also,
day.
the same 1 year. Yeah. The same 1 year, 1 year, yeah.
Why you split up? Okay? You split up?
Because, my girlfriend is because the first girlfriend is, I was a student. I was a student in high school, and I was busy.
Oh yeah, you busy?
Yeah.
Student at school.
So we cannot communicate. We couldn't
So who's your
communicate.
crush here?
Crush here? You.
Oh, you have a
Sure.
crush, man.
Yeah.
Crush.
Yeah.
I just met you. You have a crush?
Yeah.
My gosh. Sorry. Maybe you're crushing down. Ano ba ang daldal ko? Hindi kayo nagsasalita?
Bakit sorry?
Wala. Gat ko. Pilitan.
Ilang taon ka dati nung dito ka?
I was... Lang ba? 16. Masok ko 16.
Pero malamok.
Tapos, yun. Nag-birthday ako dito.
Kami rin.
17.
Ang dami
Ilan?
ng birthday dito.
Kailan birthday niyo?
Season.
December
December
2nd.
Oh,
Siya, December 29.
belated. Ikaw, when is your birthday?
More
Why are you wearing pink?
para happy. Masaya.
So, when is your birthday?
March 16.
Oh, 16. You're Pisces.
Yeah, Pisces.
Okay.
Are you 20 years old?
I'm turning 21.
Wait, March. March din, di ba?
No.
May. Sorry.
Bang.
May
28.
28.
Are you pure Filipino? Or
Half breed.
half breed?
Ilan taon ka lang ngayon? 20? Nati's birthday in
The Spanish.
Spanish?
Yeah.
Wow.
Happy birthday.
Ilan taon ka lang ngayon?
Spanish?
I'm 20.
Siya.
May...
So you're...
Sino nga mga kasagayan mo nun? Sino yung J. Falcon ba nun? Sina... Like my best friend also.
Rocky.
Valerie?
Valerie. Galit, Bigel? Ano ba? Kung hindi ako magsasalita, hindi kayo magsasalita.
Oh.
Just relax.
Oh,
Yes. So...
Why would I entertain you? You should entertain me.
Oh, Seichi. Seichi.
Yeah.
Yes.
Maganda siya, di ba? Yes. Guwapa siya, sobra, yeah. Old guy is crush on you, yeah. Old boy is crush on you, yeah.
Oh. Oh. Arigato.
Sobra.
Ano ba? Boring nyo?
Sinong crush mo dati sa batch mo?
Sa batch
yeah.
niya.
Ano ba? Wala na kasi ako naiibang nakita eh. Isipin mo naman, 4 months kayo magkasama. 4 months staying here. You cannot see anyone anymore. So everybody is beautiful to you already. When you go out, you realize, oh my God, why do I have a crush on him? Si Arna, sino ba yun? Yung Italiano, yung nagpatuli dito. Yung pongpong-galapong-galapong? Oo.
Yun, oo nga. Sino naman yung pinakamagandang housemates na para sa'yo?
Ako.
Ang asawa mo?
Ikaw? Ang dami. Si Valerie, maganda. Sino pa ba? Si Nicole.
Oo,
Si Beauty.
Oo, si Beauty.
Yeah.
Si Beauty.
Di ba gwapo yung
Si
nandito?
Joseph.
Si Joseph, di ba, Pogi?
Alex.
Si Alex yung crush mo.
Oh. Hindi kasi na-crush niya sa... Crush din niya ako eh. Na-crush na rin ako sa...
Wow!
Wala Wala kang ano. Siya. Yeah. Pagod ako kwento. Sige, kwento pa.
Ganda yan. History
Why are you wearing earrings? Are you gay? Forma.
I'm gay, yeah.
I'm gay.
Is that, this fashion?
Oh, fashion? And why are you wearing this? It's so bad. You're wearing t-shirt and you're wearing that?
Yeah, it's like accessories.
Huh?
It's his style.
Style.
It's his swag.
Yeah. Or his signature look, diba?
Kim.
Signature look.
It's your crush. Ikaw yung baby dito eh.
Hindi, siya!
Si
Yun no,
Helen.
baby.
18.
Oh. May gatas ka pa sa labi.
Ano?
May gatas ka sa labi.
My
Kami ni
God.
Pam, same age.
How old are you guys?
20.
20.
Pero ko yun.
You were scary kanina, ha? I was holding the door. You were like, oh! I go, oh! So mean!
Hindi ah. Was that...
Oh, I got scared of you!
Hindi ko yan.
I think not you.
I got scared when Barong yelled.
Yeah. So, we were so hungry kanina. So, we didn't have lunch. Well, hindi kami kumain ng lunch.
Kami rin. That's our first meal.
Yeah.
Oo.
When I saw the burgers, I was like,
Ano? Candy? Grabe, gusto ko humingi ng
Kasi-
ay, pakuha yung candy. Kaya nga. Mentos lang. Ay,
Ouch.
may candy ka ba?
sorry.
Nako.
Candy. No! Scary, dude.
Yeah.
So scary.
Yung police officer dito.
Ako.
Scary, dude. Candy lang, react ka na lang. Boom! So, ko, uy, ano to? Kanina, swimming na lang kami. Malamig ng ulo. Yeah.
Nag-swim ka kanina?
Ano yan? Okay.
Ano?
Yeah, you were closing the curtains. You were, that's why you didn't sound. Ikaw yung nakita.
I think I saw you, right? You...
Yuck!
Oh, you were spying on her, huh?
No.
Ano yan? When was the first time that I noticed you do that?
Kiss ka dyan.
Oh, pero
real.
bakit?
Because you're asking what is the kwek-kwek. I told you some
Inuman kami. Nalalasin namin. Sabi ko, kasi papasok na ako dito. Sabi ko, Bon Voyage. Sabi ko, kiss. Dalawang sabi ko, guys.
Para tayong mga tanga. Siguro kung pinanood natin yung
Nope.
People are still
So,
aware that
who's
this is
gay here?
still a gay.
Seichi.
Huwag ka nga.
Tsaka di ba si Miguel?
Sige.
Lagi siya nakapulupot kay Carlo.
Ano?
He's always...
Oo.
Hala ko si ano.
Si Kuya Iting? Wala na si Kuya Iting.
Hindi siya yung iniisip ko.
Si Paco.
Hindi.
Sino?
Secret.
Para lahat nabanggit. Si Slater?
Hindi.
Grabe ka, sorry.
Si Carlo Badin.
Grabe, ikaw nga yung alpha man. Ikaw pala napapagkamalang bakla. It's okay, Carlo.
Don't touch me.
It's okay, Carlo.
I'm gonna remember that. Makakako yan.
You're so OA. So, Bigel, tapos ka na maghugas?
Wait, saan si Sid?
Where are you going?
Good, just...
No.
Balik
No.
na.
No. No. That's okay. Just joking.
Bigyan. Bisa din.
Oh, siya. Bigyan, ikaw na. Hot seat
Ikaw
ka.
na, hot seat.
Hot seat. Kwento ka.
Kwento.
Kay Reyna and
Just
Beatrice.
visitor. So make fun.
Tama daw, gusto para later. Okay lang
Oh, excuses.
I will help him.
Ako na.
Sino yung pinakatotoong ano dito, tao?
To? Pero lahat naman kami, totoo kami.
We.
To, teka.
Yan yung sinasabi niyo sa confession room, yung sinasabi niyo harap-harapan.
Siyempre,
Tinatanong ko lang.
bawal ba pag-usapan yun?
No, tinatanong ko lang if kaya niyo bang mag-confront.
I like the crown.
Tinatanong ko lang if kaya niyo mag-confront each other.
Oh, Slater!
Natanong ko lang naman kasi dati, nag-ano ako dito, pala ako nag-crackdown. Sobra. Breakdown ako. Kaya tinatanong ko, kasi tagal nyo na dito, di ba? Ilang months na.
Oo.
Buti wala pang nag-breakdown.
4 na.
Ako nag-breakdown ako dati, sinira ko yung faucet namin dati.
Ikaw?
Yeah. Because I really wanna go out.
Nagalit si Kuya.
Tapos, ito